Thank you. Thank you. Let me know when you can see me, and then let me share my screen. Okay. Let me know when you can see. Hi, good evening or good afternoon. I guess it's already getting late, but I hope everybody's got a lot of Josh still left to hear us. And first of all, I want to thank Kadri for that interesting presentation, and Sophia for talking through the journey of how she got motivated and then also pursued her future studies. And then also Shaku for the motivation. Actually, the topic Shaku covered helps a lot in what I'm trying to tell. But again, thank you for all the speakers. And hopefully the Man Ki Baat jo hum logon ne is episode mein start kiya, you can hear us, each of us, what our journeys were. हम लोगों का अलग अलग रास्ता, हम हर ने अलग रास्ता चुना. जैसे शकुल ने बताया, टिपिकल इंडियन जो गर्ल्स होते हैं उनको कॉलेज में बताने से पहले ही हाई स्कूल में ही बता दिया जाता है कि आपका जो है यही सीमा है, यही लाइफ है. बट आई थिंक टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग एब्सोल्युटली. बट अभी भी कुछ फैमिलीज में वो होगा जहाँ पे उनको लड़कियों के ऊपर प्रेशर होगा कि भाई आप कॉलेज कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, आपके लिए लड़का ढूंढना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. बट आई थिंक चाहे जिस भी आप सिचुएशन में हो, what do you choose in your life is practically dependent on you. Sometimes it is, as Shakuntala said, it is external motivation because you have been told to do that, so you follow that. But every time you have to choose for yourself what is the internal question that is asking you. Okay, so that is the key part. What makes you happy, and what do you really want to accomplish? Why have you, what is the path you want to choose? What will make you happy? Sometimes it's hard to crystal clear say this is the only path I have chosen, this is the only objective. Sometimes the objectives do not come straight to you. Okay, you'll have to go through multiple paths to go to the final destination. Like when, I'm just to give a small story before I start into my slide. When we were like studying, I used to always adore my teachers, whether it was in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bidar or Karnataka College. And everybody would ask, what do you want to become after college? And I would say, hey, maybe I want to become a teacher or college professor. And my teachers used to say, hey, Ravi, you have some other skills. Tum teacher kyun banna chahte? Why can't you become something different? But there is something that I still enjoy in teaching, that even today, though I'm not a teacher, I enjoy it. And weekend, I have a school where I volunteer, but I enjoy teaching for some reason. Okay, there is something that it makes me happy. Okay, no matter what I do, I enjoy. So something that you have to always motivate for yourself, which makes you inner happy. The second thing I want to tell you is, I have stayed, before I came to Bidar, I stayed in a small village in Belgaum. Okay, that's like Sambra. It's like a farming community next to Air Force campus. I've spent enormous time in farm. So I really, really like farm. Okay. And when I was doing NSS at college, there used to be this beautiful song from Professor Dilshad, which goes for, he's from the Karnataka Agriculture University, who has written that Rashtriya Sevam Yojane Madiru Seveya Madon Bani, Nave Seveya Madon Bani. It rings the bell every day, every night, even now today, to me, whether it's a Scout Promise or NSS, that song, which motivates me to think every day, hey, why am I living? For what am I living? Okay. And most important, my journey in my life, I have many people to thank all through my life. Okay. I just couldn't choose my path, or what I did does not stand just for me, but they helped me. The people around me, the surroundings around me, helped me where I headed or what they supported. So I really want to thank them and the teachers, especially. I know many of you, they are in here, and I know I don't have a pictures, a lot of for them, but I really want to thank. Okay. So just coming back to the quote, life is a matter of choices, and every choice you make makes you. So I just want to make sure everyone take it, it's not what you have always thought. It is more what choices you make in your life and then how you live to the choices. I think that makes you. So that's most important message. And it's written by John C. Maxwell. He's a leadership author who writes a lot of books about leadership. So I just want to, each one of you will have to find your own destiny and what makes you happy. Okay. Now, some of you, as I'll keep it short. Will not run through the slide. My only thing is, I'm not using the other sites which Sophia or Shaku or Kadri have used, but I will be using Zoom poll. So make sure you can watch and try to put something, because that will make it more interactive. I know it's a little late for some of you, but we'll try to make it most interactive. I'll try to speak Kannada, English, or Hindi, but if you have questions, I'll try. Slowly, when you don't speak and your subject or the slides are more in English, you tend to speak more in English. Okay. With that, let me just talk quickly about me. Okay, my answer, like, there's no easy way to say I'm from Bidar, like Shakuntala said or Kadri said. My parents are originally from Andhra, Kakinada, but my father was in Air Force. We grew in different parts. Finally, we came into Bidar when I was in 8th standard. But I finished my 9th and 10th standard to high school at Kendriya Vidyalaya Bidar, and then joined Karnataka Arts Science College in 1991. Almost 30 years exactly from where we are. June, July of 1991, we were just in the same seats where you are in Karnataka College. Maybe आप लोग physically college में नहीं हैं, but मुझे आज भी वो classroom याद है जो president या secretary के office के side में सबसे बड़ा classroom था. So that was a college where we attended with about 250 students, many of them whom जो हमें पता भी नहीं थे या पहली बार मिल रहे थे बीदर के different parts से. So I enjoyed the memories, like traveling, walking through farms. मैंने बताया जैसे volunteering and teaching. I still enjoy teaching, and it's a pleasure to always have fun and interact with students. I completed a BSc in physics, maths, statistics. All my friends had electronics common, so I just got somehow tempted to say electronics, but I did physics, maths, statistics. Okay. And I enjoyed mathematics, as Kadri said. Obviously, Kadri is a better mathematician than I was, but I enjoyed mathematics. I like the arithmetics part and all. But what fascinates me always is process. ये चीज कैसे बना है? If you say something like I as a student or even at a school, I always visited factories. कि ये factory में ये कैसे बनता है? Bulb कैसे बनता है? How to make a glass? How is glass made? या डालडा कैसे बना? I've visited many factories. Even like जो चक्की का आटा मिल बनता है, there was a factory in Bemco in Belgaum. So I visited them and understood how their process works, or aluminum and how it works. But I enjoyed something like process, or even how to improve. A college में एक budget बनाना है, so how do you work on through? So those are things which always passionated me. And geography. I mean, I love to read about geography, about new places or something, or cuisine or something. So I like, and then also to keep up with current affairs. After completing BSc, I just did my master's. And then along with while schooling and at college, I always did NSS volunteer and school. I was a president scout. This is a small picture again, as Kadri was mentioning. This was the 25th year celebration where we created this one massive project, and the entire physics lab we took over. और उसमें जो है हम लोगों ने 4 हिस्से में एनर्जी कैसे जनरेट होता है. एक तो थर्मल पावर प्लांट, इसके पीछे अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोलिक पावर प्लांट, और वी हैड लाइक द नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी एंड आल्सो न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट. ये चारों का मतलब हम लोगों ने बताया था कि हाउ एनर्जी इज मेड in India at that time. I know now there are more biofuels and others, but कैसे energy participate करता है. But it was an interesting journey that trying to prepare that. इसको almost 1 महीना लगा था, but we enjoyed through the process. And thanks to Devatra sir and other teachers who were at the college who always encouraged us to participate and actively do something new, right? Mangalgi sir, who was the head of the department physics at that time. Now, coming back, before I jump onto my, let me put a quick survey. Let me try a poll here. Okay. Okay, let me try this poll. See if you can try answer and guess me where I started my journey. So see it on Zoom. अगर आपके पास Zoom पे है तो you'll see that on the Zoom. Yeah, I get one answer. I see a couple of answers. Wow, good. I see 8 answers for one. Okay. 14. Yeah. Good. Okay. Well, I'll exit poll, but just to give you an idea, see, like 62% people think that I started, or 58% people think that I started as tutor and statistical. Let's end that poll and let's see where I stand. Okay. So let me get back to my slide. Did the poll stop? Did you see that? Okay. So you saw, everybody guessed that I started as coming out of the, starting from the master's or getting out of the degree college. I probably started my first paid job in statistics, but that's not true. I started my career almost, though I finished my college in 1991, I started my career almost in 1989. That's why I like say 6 years or 7 years before even I got out of the college. Okay. So I started my career in 1989 and it's still going. Okay. I started my career a little bit small or something like Bidar mein.
Ravi, you have, sorry to interrupt you, you have poll window ahead of the slides, on top of the slides. Your slides, the poll is obstructing the slide behind.
Let me
just minimize or close the polling window.
I closed it. Is it still there?
I can see, but yeah, it's still there for me.
Oh, poll, that result will be displayed only at the co-host. For the participants, that is minimized.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I was like, okay. So it's like I started my journey in Bidar with small jobs. Then I moved to Gulbarga, where also I did the tuitions and tutor along with my masters. And then I moved to Goa. And in Goa, I almost worked for 5.5 years before I got an opportunity to come to US. The first state I visited, that is called Texas. It's a southern, agar US ka map dekhenge to it is like southern tip of United States. And then wahan se I came to the northern state of Minnesota. Just Sophia ne bataya cold ke bare mein, so that's where I live today. So if you just look for, my career span is almost like 25 years each at a different, I try to put a statistical graph ki matlab kis company mein zyada hai. But मैंने पहले अपना छोटा सा जो है घर में फैमिली किराना स्टॉक, that's what I started. But उसमें मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं मिले. There was no paid incentive or something, but it was something that family owned. I had to run, so that I ran. घर में फिर थोड़े दिन free tuition पढ़ाया मैंने लोगों को कि because so that it helps, like especially हम लोग के घर में धोबी या उनके जो बच्चे थे, they wanted to come, तो उनके साथ पहले start किया. Then that's when जहाँ पे है मुझे कॉलेज के लेक्चररों ने वगैरह रियलाइज किया कि है ये कर रहा है, और मेरे पेरेंट्स ने खुद एनकरेज किया एंड दे कनेक्टेड मी टू वन ऑफ द फैमिली इन बीदर, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग सम पेड ट्यूशन. सो माय फर्स्ट पेड जॉब वाज पेड ट्यूटर, एंड देन आई आल्सो वर्कड इन समर बीएससी सेकंड ईयर और थर्ड ईयर में मैं बीदर में नौबाद में एक फैक्ट्री है फैन रेगुलेटर्स इंडिया करके, उषा के लिए वो fan regulators banate hain, so I used to work as a storekeeper in those factories. So that's where my journey started as a paid job. Then I moved my first job when I completed my master's, that was MRF Tires. And again, I will not drain you on this, we'll come back on this slide, but aapko ek idea ke liye ki the college khatam hone ke baad job start hota hai, ye purana mindset hai. Things are changing. Bade cities mein aajkal kids are working parallelly. And the most important is कॉलेज से जब आप बाहर निकलते हो, अगर आपको अपने आप के लिए स्टैंड आउट करना है, दैट इज वन ऑफ माय टॉपिक व्हिच आई विल बी कवरिंग. वेयर डू यू शो एक्सपीरियंस कि मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस है या मुझे इस चीजों के बारे में नॉलेज है, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई विल टेल यू. बिकॉज इस जॉब में जब मैं गया था एमआरएफ टायर्स में, द एप्लीकेशन उस जमाने में, अभी तो इंटरनेट है, we used to watch for Sunday newspapers. I don't know how many if you remember, अभी भी शायद इंडिया में न्यूज़पेपर में संडे जॉब्स आता है, बट उस जमाने में टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर्स, हम लोग संडे का न्यूज़पेपर के लिए इंतजार करते थे. तो संडे का न्यूज़पेपर आया तो मंडे पूरा काम है कि उसमें क्या जॉब मिलेगा और उसको कहाँ अप्लाई करना है, राइट? So that's how the journey of searching for a job. So when I applied for MRF job, they had said, if you want to come for statistical quality controller, you need 2 years industry experience. Okay. But I was reluctant कि मेरे पास इतना साल का experience नहीं है तो कोई लेगा नहीं, right? I kept applying and my dad was one of the person who said कि first apply, whether आएगा नहीं आएगा वो बात की बात है, right? So luckily I got the interview and that got into that first job, and then from there the life kept going. We'll talk how to get there and then how to get the journey in as we come to the next slide, okay? Or in future slide. Most important, as you know, my career has transitioned over multiple phases. Okay, like one is the sustained college. मुझे पैसे चाहिए थे कि मैं college पढ़ सकूं, right? तो पहले के jobs वगैरह was more based on that. Second part was to establish my career. When I started as MRF, I grew as somebody like talked, you know, Shakku talked about self-growth. I was looking for self-growth and where I can learn and improvise my skills. So that is where I was trying to work. Along with that, while I was doing that, I was parallelly 8 घंटे का इंडिया में तब वो टाइम में सैटरडे छुट्टी नहीं होता था, but you're working almost like 48 hours, you know, 50 hours, 60 hours with all your commute time. But फिर शाम में आपको time निकाल के I used to parallelly do computer classes or and work for small startup doing some small projects. That's how statistical MSc or BSc degree में वो टाइम में जैसे कादरी ने बताया, most places the people wanted engineering degree only, right? So, but I had to break the shield in terms of parallelly मुझे computer classes वगैरह साथ में करने थे along with the job, and keep trying. I must have tried Bangalore. I must have visited multiple times. I failed. I'll be honest with you. कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि you go for an interview, by the time you reach there, पता चला कि उसमें already 200 लोग apply करके बैठे हुए हैं. Your chances is 0, right? So, but you don't give up. You keep doing that, and that is when the time one of my own, you know, relative, he saw me, my own cousin brother, he saw me, my efforts, what I'm trying to do, and that's when he was my sponsor or mentor, जिसने मुझे help किया कि how to apply for some jobs in US. And that when I came to US, यहाँ पे मेरा बना career था, where I was almost like heading 3 departments at BETS, almost like 3 departments. बना career था, where I was leading and all. But यहाँ पे मुझे फिर से ground up 0 से start करना पड़ा. Again, you come back. So I had to re-establish, starting as a just a simple engineer to a manager to a director. I had to re-establish. Okay. Now somebody talked, Shakku, does this help you to prove yourself? How do you motivate? After you reach certain point, you want to see what do you really want to enjoy. So what I wanted to try is balance out life. I've been working for many corporates. I wanted to see how I can balance. मेरा पुराना सा एक सपना है कि I can, at some point, I can retire, come back to Bidar and do some farming or do something, a village development. That is मेरा dream है. I mean, I'm telling you here, honest, it's something which keeps me every day motivated that I need to keep healthy. I need to make sure my family is safe and secure. At the same time, I can keep myself motivated to come out and do something that I've been dreaming about. So that is what I'm looking for, why I moved out of big corporates, and I'm now more as an independent consultant, trying to find that independence to so that I can do what I wanted to do in my life. So that is just to give you an idea. Now, is this every time to make a change from one company to another company? Is that easy to make? I would say no. Every time you have to reinvest yourself, you have to remotivate yourself. कि आपको हर बार उसमें टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है कि क्या करें. और मोर देन दैट, समटाइम्स जैसे कादरी ने बताया, नोकिया जैसे कंपनी में जो लोग जॉब कर रहे थे, अगर 10 साल के बाद आपको पता चले कि आपकी कंपनी बंद हो गई है तो आप क्या करेंगे, राइट? या फिर अब जैसे शकुंतला ने बताया कि हाउ डू यू मोटिवेट उस सिचुएशन में, आप अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेट करेंगे. इट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज जो बोलते हैं ना कि जब तक दिए में जब तक जान है तो वो अपने आप से नहीं बुझ सकता, राइट? So you have to make sure you motivate yourself internally in all situations to survive through that. So what I'm trying to say is, this is not an easy journey, but always make sure you transpire or inspire yourself and look at what makes you happy and what you want to accomplish in your life. Now, my career span again is, you know, if as I was telling you, these are the companies I've worked with, but these are the organizations who have either delivered projects for me, या फिर मैं उनके पास जाके मैंने उनके पास project delivery किया है. So that is like, you can see the width and length of many organizations and logos that I've worked very closely. And even though I work, with the organizations, I parallelly run some other organization. Recently, for last 7 years, I've been actively working with this organization called SILC, School of India Languages and Culture, where we teach Indian languages and culture here in US. So that's where. And my roles and titles, I really don't know if there is, this list is full enough, but my roles and titles have kept changing over the period of times. And मैं इन सारे industries में मैंने manufacturing services, healthcare, health insurance, life insurance, investment, agriculture, trading, medical device, property casualty insurance, इन सारे organizations में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत मतलब काम किया है, and I have good at least exposure in all of these industries. So that's what my career summary would look like. It's not easy graph. Sometimes some have been external curve, that means आपको change करना पड़ा जबरदस्ती because company बदल गया है, or sometimes you may have to reinvest and you want to find something better. Okay, so with that I'm coming to the second question. So if you come to the second poll, let me see what do you guys think with the second poll. Okay, so let's see. I want to talk about career networking, but I want to hear कि आपको career networking के बारे में क्या मालूम है. So ये रहा आपका poll. Good, one response. Connecting friend on a Facebook, yes. Attending a career fair, yes. Nobody's saying attending a wedding event. Somebody said no. Okay. Wow, good. Yep. So what, 67, 68 response. Okay. I'll give a minute. Okay. So let me end the poll here. I think we are getting there, just to give you an idea. You think, can you see the survey? So yes, attending a career fair is one event, but online job search is certainly to find a job. Yes, online search job, you can just do a job search, but that doesn't give you career networking. उसमें जो आपको career उसमें टिप्स मिल सकते हैं कि कहाँ डायरेक्शंस है, कहाँ जॉब चल रहा है, बट उसमें नेटवर्किंग नहीं हो सकता है. बट अगर आप वेडिंग में मिल रहे हैं किसी को, शायद इनफॉर्मली आप मिल रहे हैं और फेसबुक पे आप फ्रेंड्स बना रहे हैं, तो दैट इज ऑल. सो मेनी ऑफ यू बी ऑल, जैसे शकुंतला ने बताया कि एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल, उसी तरह हम लोग इम्प्लिसिटली और एक्सप्लिसिटली हम लोग काफी लोगों से मिलते हैं. जैसे इम्प्लिसिटली मतलब हम जान पहचाने बगैर हम लोग पार्टी में चले गए या शादी में चले गए या दोस्त बना लिया किसी से, हम उनसे मिलते हैं, बट उससे दोस्ती में के लिए मिलते हैं, बट कैरियर सोच के हम नहीं मिलते हैं, राइट? Many of us keep making the same mistake. I did the same mistake almost for 10 years or 15 years of my career. Okay, हम लोग यही ढूंढते हैं कि हाँ ये दोस्त है, बट हम उससे ये नहीं सोचते कि इस दोस्त से क्यों मिले, एक नए दोस्त से मिले जहाँ पे हम कैरियर के बारे में बात करें. मैं why will not I meet Qadri, जो मुझे कार के बारे में पसंद है, तो why should not I meet Qadri to learn more about cars? So that's what we never do. We always do, हाँ just मुझे कोई मिल गया दोस्त, I make a friendship. Implicitly we do not try to make explicit friendship, and that is the difference between a career networking. So let me pause there for a second and come back to my slides. Okay. So why is career networking important? Okay, so career networking is important, especially आप लोगों ने पूछा कि जैसे BSc है सर, हम लोग BSc से हमको जॉब कैसे मिलेगा in car industry, right? I will say many of the BSc वालों को, जैसे कादरी ने बताया कि India में especially, still the companies look for certain degrees, right? If you are in that degree, you get the job first, or you are having a campus interviews. But नहीं, बाकी को शायद नहीं. But you can break that barrier by knowing more about career networking, और आप एक कंपनी है और आपके उसको मैनेजर या डायरेक्टर आप जानते हैं, you can call them, invite the college and bring them early into the college, right? So the most important thing is the industry estimate says almost 45% jobs are filled by networking. Means उनमें आपका senior कोई है या कोई और है जो जानता है कि यहाँ से लोग अच्छे आएंगे या नहीं तो they can refer you. So that's what networking. 65% of the people learn about new jobs as of today. Previously हमने जैसा मैंने बताया कि we used to look at Hindu newspaper और Times of India से हमें newspaper पता jobs पता चलता था. As most of the people know through their friends that कि यहाँ पे फलाना job है या Facebook पे है या online है, but वो भी जब कोई देखता है तो one of your friend may say, hey, Kadri, go apply there. So that's how the work works. 65% people may learn from their friends. So it's important you have good friends who care for you, right? Second is, if you know the job and आपके पास available है, अगर आपके पास वो network है, then you can find out and be early in the opportunity. आप दूसरों से पहले वहाँ पे पहुँच सकते हैं. Second is by doing some career networking. I'll come back. How will you differentiate you from crowd? I know शकुंतला ने भी बताया कि आप कॉलेज से बाहर आते हो तो आपको, या सोफिया was saying, how do you differentiate? कैसे पता कि आपको डिग्री कॉलेज से अभी जैसे बीएससी से आपने निकाला कंप्यूटर साइंस, 10 लोग या 20 लोग आपके बैच में है, तो आप में से उसमें कौन एक को या दो को जॉब दे सकते हैं? हाउ विल यू डिफरेंशिएट? तो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप ये देखें कि कैसे हर दिन आप अपने आप को अलग पहचान बनाए along with what you do along with your studies and friends, but what makes you different is equally important, right? Second is, before you go to a job, do you know whether उस job में क्या expected है? वो कंपनी अच्छी है, जैसे कादरी बता रहे थे कि नोकिया वाज वन ऑफ द वेरी वेल नोन कंपनी, बट अब नए कंपनी में छोटी कंपनी है जिसके बारे में आप नहीं जानते, तो हाउ विल यू गो कि उस कंपनी में क्या है, सैलरी अच्छा देगा, जॉब अच्छा है? हाउ डू यू नो अनलेस यू नो समबडी इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट? सो अप्लाई जॉब करते समय उसके बारे में भी आपको थोड़ा पता करना पड़ता है, राइट? सेकेंड इज, आप जॉब, पहली जॉब के लिए ऑल दीज थिंग्स में हैपन, बट अगर आप आज जॉब में हो और आप जॉब चेंज करना चाहते हो और आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, कुछ करना चाहते हो, तो भी इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि नए जॉब के लिए मैं कहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँ, कैसे, आज जो रेलेवेंट है वो कल रेलेवेंट होगा या नहीं पता नहीं, राइट? तो हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर जॉब? That's equally important, right? How do you network and constantly prepare for yourself? Now, I want to come back to the statement. I want to make sure career networking is not replacement for talent. अगर आप टैलेंट नहीं है तो कैरियर नेटवर्किंग है तो भी आपको कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपका दोस्त भी आपको जॉब नहीं देगा जब तक आपके पास अगर कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, राइट? क्योंकि उसको भी फिर आप, अगर वो दोस्त को जॉब मिलता है जहाँ पे, जैसे अगर मैंने किराना दुकान का एक्सपीरियंस है तो वहाँ पे बोलेंगे कि भैया मेरे दुकान में काम कर ले, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू जॉब, बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रूव, दे मे नॉट ब्रिंग यू अगर आपके पास टैलेंट नहीं है. सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट you have talent, but career networking will help you to get recognized the talent. Okay. I know I'm going a little fast, but I want to make sure you're enjoying. Agar, if you think it's going fast, let me know. I'll try to slow down. So with that, let me come to the next survey. Okay. So let me launch the third survey. Okay. So हमने बताया अभी कैरियर नेटवर्किंग. देखते हैं आप लोगों में कितने लोगों को इसके बारे में पता है. तो अगर किसी ने यस वाज प्लानिंग, विद प्लानिंग मैंने किया है सोच के, कैजुअली मैंने ऐसे ही जाने बगैर आई हैव बीन नेटवर्किंग और मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता, राइट? ओके, गुड. विल गिव फ्यू मोर मिनट्स, few more seconds. Okay. Now it's evening out a little bit. Okay. So you're seeing yes, मतलब at least 17 लोगों को इसके बारे में पता है. They are trying to make active engagement. Great. That is really good. Because जब मैं कॉलेज में था हम लोगों के इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. So I'm glad that at least 21 people know. कुछ 21 लोग they are doing, but शायद passively casually they are doing, और कुछ लोगों ने अभी तक इसके बारे में नहीं पता है. Especially this is very true for people जो छोटे या बीदर, मतलब अभी तो things have changed a lot, internet, But when people come from small villages or वगैरह, उनको पता भी नहीं रहता, because they are just looking how to come to Bidar city and manage the college, or weekend हुआ या छुट्टी हुआ तो they want to go back to the village and all, right? So this is very common. So don't take it negatively, because I was in this never or don't know situation also, or maybe casually I made friends right at that time when I was in college. Okay, so this is good. So let me end the polling. Let me come back to the slide. Okay. So many times हम लोगों से मिलते हैं और कैरियर देखते हैं, बट ये नहीं जानते कि इसमें हम किस लोगों से कैसे मिलना चाहिए, राइट? तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज somebody, अगर आप लोगों ने 3 इडियट्स मूवी देखा है, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर सब लोगों ने 3 इडियट्स मूवी देखा होगा, बहुत कम होंगे जिसने नहीं देखा होगा. अगर नहीं देखा है तो भी आई विल एनकरेज यू टू वॉच दैट मूवी. उसमें एक पर्सन है जिसका नाम है फरहान कुरैशी. I don't know if anybody remembers. Give me a smile or chat or something on the screen, or with your expression. Okay. So if you see Farhan Qureshi, he was following this wildlife photographer, right? Hungary ka ek wildlife photographer, so wo follow karte rehta hai literally, and he learns photography nicely from him, right? So he's nothing but an influencer for this guy, right? So he's been following Farhan Qureshi follows this guy. And he's the influencer who helps him to build a career on how to do a good wildlife photography. Finally, he agrees to connect with him. So jo hai, he agrees to connect with that guy and then finally gets a job. But you get an idea, right? Who influencers are. The most important part is influencer. You need to find out who your influencers are, who you want to mimic or learn from them. So the most important part is, आप चाहे न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़े, ऑनलाइन में पढ़े, you need to follow them, you need to learn from them. If you like very lot on Microsoft, you may want to follow somebody like Satya Nadella, right? और अगर आपको क्या बोलते हैं बैंकिंग के बारे में करना है तो you may want to learn from somebody, right? Who's leader in banking. आपको बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ना है तो you may want to follow somebody who is a biotechnologist, right? So it's important कि आप influencers ढूंढें जो आपके लाइफ में बताएं कि उसमें कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं या क्या नया हो रहा है जिसके बारे में आप लर्न कर सकते हैं इंडस्ट्री में. बिफोर यू इवन कम आउट ऑफ द कॉलेज इनटू द जॉब मार्केट, यू हैव एन आइडिया व्हाट्स कमिंग इनटू द मार्केट, राइट? सो दैट्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ बीइंग फॉलोइंग एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. नाउ हमने फरहान कुरैशी की बात की, तो फरहान कुरैशी घर में तो उसके माँ बाप लोगों ने भेज दिया कि भाई आप कॉलेज कर लो, ठीक है. इफ यू रिमेंबर ही सेड कि भाई बेटा होगा तो इंजीनियर, सो ही जस्ट केम टू द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. But who you think he meant? Who was his mentor at the college? Anybody? Any guess? I know I'm not able to see the chat, but like I think I see. Okay, so his mentor was Rancho, right? Those movie में जो Rancho जो character है, he was his mentor, right? क्योंकि he trusted Rancho for everything, and he believed Rancho. When Rancho says कि भाई you apply for the job or send me, or he took care. जो मेंटर है उसने देखा कि भाई इसने भेजा नहीं है और उसने एप्लीकेशन डाल दिया उस मेल को, तो फाइनली ही गॉट द जॉब. सो द Rancho was the mentor for that, right? In a way. Okay. So most important is you need to build trust with these mentors who can help you learn about the organization, learn about the new skills, or help you transition. Most important is transition. आप अगर एक जॉब से जाना चाहते हैं, कॉलेज से आपको जॉब में चाहिए, how do अभी many people who come from village ಹಳ್ಳಿನಿಂದ ಬೀದರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರ, right? That's how they come to Karnataka college. But ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ? Because ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರ, ಯಾರೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ. So those people are nothing but your mentors who help you move from one place to another, or move from one organization to another, or learn you new skill. Those are mentors. So I want to make sure you build connections and always find your mentors. We do somewhere or informally we do this one, but अगर आपको organization में sustain करना है और career में आगे बढ़ना है, the most important part is finding the sponsor. वो आपका sponsor है जो आपको promotion करेगा या hire करेगा या recommend करेगा. So these are the people who are very important. अभी again let's going back to the 3 Idiots movie. Who you think was the sponsor for जो कैरेक्टर है वहां पे एक मिलीमीटर करके जो था वो he was like a जो मतलब कॉलेज कैंपस में वो छोटा छोटा काम करता था मिलीमीटर, बट उसको बोला कि भैया आ जाओ कॉलेज में, आई विल गिव यू अ जॉब. Okay, so who was his sponsor at that time? Do you know? Sorry again, I see some handshake chat, but let's see. Yeah, it's again Rancho, right? So Rancho gave the sponsor, but Rancho ke liye bhi ek sponsor tha, right? Shamal Das Chachar, who was this not his father or somebody, but where he worked, he was the one who said it, like, you have to go get a degree in ICE, right? So he sends him there. So he was a sponsor. So life may, if you want to learn about organizations, you want to make sure you have an influencer, you have somebody as mentor. And like Dr. B.G. Patil sir talked about good thing about so many things in college. There's an opportunity to find even within the college, like a sponsor or mentor from like somebody like him with his experience, to say, hey, how can I help? Where can I participate? Or even from the teachers and professors at the Karnataka College. They were my mentors and influencers at that time. So how do you find people within the college, within your neighborhood, who can every day make a difference in life? And the most important part is, aapko sabse zyada zindagi mein zarurat hai backers. Okay, these are the people. आप जब भी आगे बढ़ते हैं या गिरते हैं, आपको कभी भी पीछे से सपोर्ट करने के लिए आपके पेरेंट्स होंगे या फ्रेंड्स होंगे या फिर कोई आपके लेक्चरर्स होंगे या कॉलेज होंगे, वो जो बोलेंगे थप पीठ पे शब्द नहीं, नो वरीज, आपने पूरा कोशिश किया, यू डिड वेरी गुड जॉब, you failed, it's okay, again come on, move on. Because ये emotional support is very very needed, especially the industry and the lifestyles we are. Okay, जो 30 साल पहले या 40 साल पहले जो इंडिया में जॉब सिचुएशन था, उसमें ये था कि आप एक जॉब में चले गए तो आप उस जॉब में 30 इयर्स और 40 इयर्स उस जॉब में काम कर सकते हैं. आज वो माहौल कहीं पे भी नहीं है. आप पायलट भी बन गए 3 साल या 10 साल कंपनी जॉब करके, आपने जॉब किया, किंगफिशर बंद पड़ गया, किंगफिशर चला गया तो कोई और कंपनी ज्वाइन किया, आपने बोला ठीक है आई विल गो टू जेट एयरवेज क्योंकि पायलट का जॉब है, बट जेट एयरवेज भी बंद हो गया. तो हाउ डू यू रियली कीप मोटिवेटेड? इट्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर बैकर्स. So make sure you always thank and build these backers. So what I want to make sure again is you have to always appreciate, क्योंकि ये आपको जो है जैसे शकुंतला ने बताया, these people make you happy. No matter what your situations are, these people make you happy. So that is why you need to find out who your backers are. Okay, I hope it's interesting so far. If you see it is interesting, just give me a hi or say claps. Let me see if you're enjoying it still. Good. Now let's go back to poll 4. Okay, so let me try poll 4. Okay, so why do you need career networking? ठीक है, आपको ये career networking क्यों चाहिए? अभी आप लोग कॉलेज में हो, बट हमको career networking, कुछ लोगों ने बताया, 17 लोगों ने, कि हम अभी से career networking कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों करना चाहते हैं, right? Good. See some polls. Awesome. About 80 people will give. Let's see अगर 100 reach करते हैं इस poll के लिए. Awesome. I'll stop the polling. Let's see. Great, 100 responses. अगर आप 100 responses में देखते हैं तो आपको लग रहा है कि 25 लोग find a job ढूंढना चाहते हैं, या तो वो फिर final year graduate student होंगे, या फिर they are desperate to find a job, or they are more interested to learn about what the job market will be before they are completing out of the college. So ये उन लोग हैं उस category. बहुत लोग अभी college में हैं, they are learning something but they want to improvise their skills, so which is really good number, 81, about 76%, which is very common in college, क्योंकि आपको ये नहीं पता कि आपको करना क्या है, but you are more interested in कि मुझे नया क्या सीखने मिलेगा, या what I want to learn. Even today I am in this category. I always look for कि मुझे नया सीखने को क्या मिलेगा. अगर मुझे नए जॉब में सीखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है तो I don't want to do that job. So I always try to myself to see what can I learn in the new job, right? Second is absolutely कुछ लोग अपना business आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं. That is not a bad idea, क्योंकि कुछ जिनके अपने फैमिली के बिजनेस हैं या उनका खेत है, there is no harm. हर जॉब में it is important that you can see how can you improve जो आपके पास है, right? Make a friendship. I wouldn't choose this answer because career networking में आप दोस्ती बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं बढ़ते. दोस्ती बढ़ाने के लिए आपके पास फेसबुक वगैरह बाकी सारे चीजें, बट कैरियर नेटवर्किंग का जो मेन स्कोप है, कैरियर नेटवर्किंग का मेन मकसद होता है कि आप उससे नया कुछ सीखें या आप एक उसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं या उससे हमेशा इन्फ्लुएंस करना चाहते हैं. दैट इज द गोल, बट लेस ऑन मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स. ओके, तो कैरियर नेटवर्किंग में आई वुड नॉट पुट मेक फ्रेंड्स. आप कैरियर नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू दोस्ती बढ़ सकता है, but the goal for career networking is not to make friends. Okay, so I want to make sure you're clear about that. So let me pause there. Okay, come back to the slide. Okay, so again, many of you answered. These are some of the situations where you may do career networking, right? आप जैसे सोफिया ने बताया, आपको हायर स्टडीज जाना है या आपको गुलबर्गा यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ना है, कौन सा कोर्स अच्छा है, क्या कोर्स आपको चाहिए, यू मे वांट टू डू इट. आई माई सेल्फ डिड इट. मुझे याद है कि जब हम लोगों ने गुलबर्गा यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए एप्लीकेशन डाला था, तो यू कुड डू बाय मेल, बट मैंने बोला नहीं, मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी भी देखना है और मेरे को कौन सा कोर्स पिक करना है, आई डोंट नो. ओके, आई माई सेल्फ वेंट. वहाँ पे मैंने खुद ही 2-3 कॉलेजेस में वगैरह यूनिवर्सिटी में जाके लोगों को मिला. उन्होंने सब मेरे को बोला कि वहाँ पे हॉलीडेज है, कोई नहीं मिलेगा. But luckily there was an MCA student, I still remember his face, नाम भूल गया मैं, but he helped me understand कि what my options are. उसने मैं सब कंप्यूटर्स में जाऊं या ना जाऊं डिबेट कर रहा था, बट उसने मुझे एक सलाह दिया था कि कंप्यूटर्स में जाओगे तो 2 चीज है कि आप 3 साल का कोर्स है और उसमें लास्ट 6 महीने आपको जो है बैंगलोर या कहीं पे जाके आपको जॉब करना है. मेरा नीड उस दिन वाज डिफरेंट, दैट कि मुझे जितनी जल्दी जॉब करना है, आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू अ जॉब because my family needed me to take a job. That's, I mean, not my family, but it was me who was feeling that I need to support my family. Okay, so I wanted to get out of the college sooner, right? I didn't want to pay 3 years. And then every 6th semester, you had to pay almost 1,600 or I think 2,000 rupees at that time. That was a fees which was very unaffordable for me. Okay, so MCA was ruled out for me. उसने, और I wanted to do tuitions along with my studies. तो उसने बोला नहीं, आपको शाम में जो है हर दिन बहुत सारा काम मिलेगा लैब वर्क, उसको आपको काम करना है. तो आई एम टेलिंग यू एज एन एग्जांपल, राइट, कि आई नेटवर्क विद दैट पर्सन टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द डिफरेंट क्लासेस आर, व्हाट द एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम दैट क्लासेस, एंड एक्चुअली इट हेल्प मी बिकॉज मुझे फिजिक्स, मैथ, स्टैटिस्टिक्स तीनों में मिले मतलब मास्टर्स करने के लिए, बट देन आई चोज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. तो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन आइडिया, एक स्टोरी कि यू कैन हेल्प networking to understand the study, and Sophia probably did something to understand what Lubbock would have given her, and that's why she went to Lubbock, right? So as an example. Second is, आपको कोई छोटा जैसे जॉब मिल सकता है या internship to get an experience. That is equally important. Your first job or internships can happen because through network. मुझे जैसे जो fan regulators में internship मिला storekeeper का job, that was through network only, right? That is how I got. Second is job change. जो पहला जॉब आप मिल गया, you are happy, very good. That may be you start there and you may end your career with that. If you did that, awesome. But not everybody has that luxury right nowadays. So you may have to do a job change. अगर आपका job change हो गया 2 reason से, आप खुश नहीं है, you want to change, or you want to challenge yourself, और आपके कंपनी ने बंद कर दिया इसलिए आपको नया जगह जाना है, ये तीनों situation में आपको you may have to have a network, right? So you have to go. Even within the job, if you want to promote promotion, आपको मतलब चाहिए, so you will have, you'll have to constantly prove. So Sophia was telling like, yeah, I have made a target this year to make so many certifications or complete my. Many times it is for self-satisfaction. Sometimes it's also for recognition and promotion, right? So it's important. Second is आपको बेचना है या आपको कुछ idea भी बेचना है. Sometimes it is important. You have to connect with people to go sell the idea, right? So these are some of the reasons where you need to network, and the more and more you want to network in the market where we are, where competition is very high, it is only way. आप अगर आपको अलग दिखना है, new yellar के तो separate आगे काढ़ने को अंदर, you have to constantly do career network or build connections or learn from the connections. More than building the connections, how do you learn from the connection? I want to emphasize on that, especially when you're in college. How do you learn from the connections? Who do you follow? Who can influence you? What can you learn from them? That is the most important part. Okay. So, I mean, I will be sharing a little bit of the slide and the tables with in a PDF to Hangargi sir, and he can share it with the college students if you're interested in reading. But just in the interest of time, I will keep moving on. Okay. So with that, we'll come to the next survey questions. Okay. We'll put this. Let me see the next survey question. Okay. I think we went fast, or no, yeah, survey 5. Okay, so हमने बताया career opportunities, मतलब networking is important. But where do you find career networking? How do you find career networking? What do you do? So let me put this launch. Let's see how many of you know कि आपको visibility और career networking कहाँ मिल सकता है? Okay, job internship में completing a project, joining a professional group, volunteering, कहाँ पे आपको career networking मिल सकता है? Okay. 48 people, so we'll give a few more minutes, a few more seconds. Okay. Awesome. So let me end the poll. Great. I see a lot of responses, about 100 plus responses, right? 106 response. Thank you all. जिसने भी vote किया. But as you said, like many people think getting a job internship, 45 people, about completing a project, 18 people, joining a professional group, 50 people. Yes, but जब आप जहाँ internship करना चाहते हैं और career network से करना चाहते हैं, all these have equally competition. Many times these each have its own competition, right? So you may go do a job internship, you can find something जहाँ पे कोई pay करेगा, very great. But many people do not underestimate the power of volunteering as an opportunity to learn something new skills and volunteering. I will challenge example. I was visiting Karnataka College website, and this is a feedback for Karnataka College computer students. मैं मीन्स कॉलेज का वेबसाइट जा रहा हूँ, तो इट इज कंप्लेनिंग मी कि वहां पे ट्रोजन है और आप वेबसाइट को ओपन नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सेकंड इज, उस वेबसाइट को अगर आप जाएंगे तो कंप्यूटर से आप शायद ठीक से खोल पाएंगे, बट इफ यू ओपन दैट वेबसाइट ऑन अ फोन, इट रियली डजंट कम यू नो इन ए जो बोलते हैं उसे ऑटोमेटिक पेसिंग जो बोलते हैं कि कंप्यूटर के फोन साइज के हिसाब से उसका एडजस्टमेंट हो जाए, वो नहीं हो रहा है. So there is a clear-cut opportunity within our own college, जो आपको कहीं बाहर जाके सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो आप वॉलंटरी कर सकते हैं कि सर आई कैन हेल्प मैनेजिंग द कॉलेज वेबसाइट, और you know, like BG Patil sir was talking about so many initiatives. Sir, I can manage these accounts for this, or sir, I can do this, or I can help. I'm saying, do not lose on those opportunities. They will make you a better person. If not, if they don't make you pay money, they may not earn you money, but they can make you much better person because you have a real life problem that you have solved for. So I will encourage you to make sure, do not neglect this volunteering opportunity, but take every opportunity you get. Absolutely, if you can get a paid internship, you can do it. If you get a project, you can do it. If not, find a project through volunteering. That's what I want to give you a message. So just don't wait for somebody to give you a project. Find a way to do a project, right? I still remember Karnataka College में जब हम लोग थे, there used to be a cycle shed, और cycle shed के side में पूरे you know पत्ते और वो सारे. Through NSS project we said नहीं, let's clean that. जो पेड़ वगैरह लगाना है वगैरह, but we'll clean that shed to at least look it better as our college, right? Find something that will motivate you, at the same time it will give results, and that makes you happy. And in the process, you know how to do teamwork, group कैसे बनाना, उसके लिए planning कैसे करना. All this will teach you every day something new, right? And which you can share when you go for a job interview. Because when you walk from the college, आपसे ये नहीं पूछा जाएगा कि आपने statistics में पढ़ा, क्या पढ़ा है. Many times the interviews which happen in the jobs, they do something like star schema. पूछते हैं कि आपने situation क्या था, आपने क्या action लिया, आपको क्या results मिला, right? So the people are looking not to understand what technical skills are, but also who you are, right? So that makes you stand out. So most important is how do you say ki main who you are? What is a person? Main ek person agar just for the sake of name, I'll take here Shivani is the first name which popped on my computer. But I mean, I'm saying Shivani, if Shivani comes out, if she wants to come and interview me, I want to know what Shivani is capable of. That is one part of it. But I also want to know who Shivani is, right? As a person, what does she bring to the table? Is she inspired or will she make the difference, right? So to do that, if you have some stories to tell, it makes a lot of difference to the interviewer, because then they know that, okay, yep, you are committed, you are doing something which will make a difference, right? Today, there are a lot of people, there are many jobs, but they're not finding the people who will make the difference. And जैसे कादरी ने बताया कि उनके जॉब में अगर 10 ओपनिंग भी होंगे तो 10 आदमी मिलना मुश्किल है, बट 100 या 1000 इंजीनियर होंगे, बट आर दे पैशनेट, आर दे थिंकिंग डिसरप्टिव इंजीनियरिंग, जिसे कि वो दे कैन थिंक अहेड ऑफ द टाइम, राइट? तो दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो वो कब आएगा? जब आपने एक्सपोजर और एक्सपीरियंस है आपके पास, तो वो एक चीज में होना जरूरी नहीं है, वो किसी और चीज में भी से हो सकता है, राइट? So that is the most important part. So again, what will help you visible when by the time you're out of the college is, one is volunteering, internship jobs, right? Doing a project or POC. Again, I said it can be a paid project, or you can find a project which will help you create and make you satisfied that you delivered it, right? So that is most important. Third is the learn and attend, जो कि आप कुछ नया सीख सकते हैं या कोई एक सेमिनार वगैरह अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो थ्रू द प्रोसेस. एग्जांपल, coming to this मन की बात itself is an attending an event to learn from other people, right? जो कॉलेज के हम भी आप ही की तरह कॉलेज में थे, आगे बढ़े हैं, तो हमसे आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं, हमने भी आपसे सीनियर्स कुछ थे हमारे, तो उनसे कुछ सीखा. तो it is always important we learn and learn from each other, and mutually we learn. Third is teach. Sometimes my own experience says, मैं जब क्लास में पढ़ता था तो मैथमेटिक्स वगैरह जो सीखा मैंने सीखा, बट जब मैंने उसको पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया, I actually improved my mathematics. So teaching helps make you better. And I think Sophia was telling an example of how she made difference. Teaching makes you more better because that way you learn your basics and fundamentals even better. So that is one. Or even join a professional group where you can do some with peer reviews. आप peer के साथ बात कर सकते हैं, hey, मैं भी इसी situation में मैं कैसे आगे बढ़ूं. So those are the, and sometimes most important is stand out. I think one beautiful example Shakuntala said, अगर वो उस दिन example नहीं बताती थी कि ये सर आपका जो है कोड गलत है या आपका जो situation गलत है, I don't think उसका जो manager था, he would have recognized Shakuntala to say, hey, this is what you should do, you're smart, you should do this. So sometimes it is important to stand out by asking the right question. Don't ask many means Indians की tendency, अगर वो question पूछना चाहते हैं तो हर बार सीए वही पूछना चाहते हैं. Sometimes most important part है कि आप दूसरों को भी chance दें और वो पूछे जो सही लगे, not कि just दिखने के लिए. Some means many of the time college में भी मैंने देखा है और jobs में भी देखा है, people will just ask the question because they want to ask the question so that they can be seen. But does the question has a meaning just will make a difference? वो नहीं सोचते, just बोलना है हमें कुछ. So most important is sometimes to think and make sure the question will make a difference. Make sure you give that emphasis also. So all this makes you stand out. You know what I'm trying to say? Because these are the points, whether you like it or not, this will make or break in your situation. So it is important that, you take 1 or 2 or 3. It is not possible to take all, but pick 1 or 2 items in this list over the next 6 months. And by the time you're out of the college or, आपके higher studies में, you can apply some of this because that will make you a lot of difference by the time you are applying for a job, or even if not job, if you're doing your own business, that will help you improve your own business. Okay. So let me jump to next slide. Okay. Now, how does all these things help me? I try to put this, but I will try to summarize. It's a pretty big and slide. Again, as I said, I started in 1989, and then I'm still every day evolving myself and learning each day. Okay, question is, every time in the life, what choices I made a difference, right? What मैंने क्या किया? अगर मैं physics लेता तो शायद मेरा choice अलग होता था, but अगर मैंने stats लिया तो मेरा choice कुछ और है. अगर MCA लेता तो it would have been a different choice. What choice I took makes a difference. What I did, every time जब मुझे opportunity मिला, मैंने क्या अलग किया जो to help me, okay? और उस process में मैंने क्या gain किया, right? कुछ चीजें, money is not always like Shakuntala was talking about motivation. Money is not, it is the what more interests you, what you benefited, and through that process किन लोगों से आपकी network हुई है, right? So just to give you an example of my career, जब मैं 96 I passed out of MSc. I got my first job immediately after doing my stats at MRF Tires, and then few years I grew in the career. 2002 I came an opportunity to come to US. I came and I was enjoying with 2 different companies. I enjoyed there, working fine. But one sudden day I was said, okay, hey, your job ends today. Okay, your job ends today, and you have 6 weeks or 8 weeks of paycheck जो आपको pay मिलेगा, but आपको नया job को ढूंढना पड़ेगा, right? It was like a जहाँ मतलब you're flying high, all of a sudden you've fallen back, ground up, right? And again you had to rebuild yourself to come back. And then अभी जो मैं बता रहा था कि now I'm like, okay, I've done my career. What do I want to? What will make me happy in long 60 years? When I'm 60 years, what do I want to enjoy? That is what is driving my decisions. But I'm just telling you, choices every time. What you took choice, whether it was stats or physics. Engineering के बदले मुझे I got engineering seat also, but my financial need at that time was to support family. So I said, no, I'm not going alone to Gulbarga and study engineering. I rather do BSc and support while parallelly running the shop or doing something, right? So each choices what I made me different. But what I want to tell you is, under each of those situations, what new skill or what did I learn differently? While I was doing my master's in Gulbarga University, I came for holidays. Just October mein holidays hota, Dasara holidays, and I came to Karnataka College. Karnataka College mein I did not do any computers. I was doing physics, math, statistics, and I want to be thankful to especially Hangargi sir and Shrikant sir, and us time mein, and Karnataka College, KRE Society particularly. That time in Dasara, Karnataka College had a small workshop teaching DOS, WordStar, and Lotus. I don't know if my Hangargi sir remembers that or not, but we had a small workshop in Dasara for 3 weeks or 4 weeks at Karnataka College. And I think it was 250 rupees or 300 rupees fees or 500 rupees. I did not even had that money at that time to pay for 500 rupees. Okay. So I went to Principal Devarkal and I said, sir, I don't have 500 rupees, but I can, if you can, I can pay half the money, but I can volunteer to teach and be the like lab assistant during those times, because Jo Chandrasekhar sir, he was from, I think, Hyderabad, and he had to travel. I said, I can volunteer free of cost for that extra money. And that gave me the opportunity to learn that computer skills. Trust me, to this day, I really thank why I took that class, okay? Because that helped me when I went to MRF job. That's when I was doing my statistical quality control job, but I learned into quality management where I had to do a lot of documentation, and that computer skills to write a WordStar document or to do a LotusNet document helped me tremendously in my first job, okay? So I just want to tell you like how the building blocks help you in your career, right? Now you may say, okay, hey, Ravi, that's great. Now what did happen? As I said, I learned that I was working for Promatric. I was working as a Siebel CRM engineer. Siebel was a, the cream of the technology at that time. Suddenly that company was sold to Oracle, and that product was like, okay, hey, jo bhi us skill mein kaam kar rahe hain, there is no much opportunity. So what is next? How do I learn something different? That's when I got into project management and Informatica, which is like an ETL tool. So I forced myself to mujhe seekhna hai naya kuch, right? And that's how I got my next job. And when I was doing next job, I had to learn something. So it's important you always learn to go and do career networking. And kisse aap connect kar rahe ho, kaise kar rahe ho, kya seekh rahe ho, that all matters in how you move out of the college and how you build your career. So that is the, just a quick nut summary I wanted to see. Every person in the college, आप अगर 30 हो या अभी इस group में at least almost 320 students हैं यहाँ पे, हर का अपना रास्ता अलग होगा और हर एक को अपना रास्ता अपने आप चूज़ करना पड़ेगा. But किस रास्ते में आप क्या चूज करते हो, आप किन लोगों को फॉलो करते हो, क्या नया सीखते हो, that will make a difference in how you get out of the college. And maybe 30 years down the line or 50 years down the line, you may be the one of the guest speaker at Karnataka College and speaking to the new student, what help, inspire your career and to motivate others. So this is just a small journey just to walk you, but I hope this helps you to get you an idea. It's not like a straight line that आपने college से निकला और एक straight line आपके सामने है. No, life is changing constantly, and constantly you have to learn and keep yourself motivated. With that, again, as I said, I have many people to thank in my life. So these are many people who have helped, the backers or motivators, influencers, mentors, you can call whatever names, right? Or sponsors in some scenarios that have helped me. So I know I don't have good pictures from Karnataka College, especially I have, Dhanpal sir, he was one of the other, in fact, he and Devatra sir was, when we were studying at KV Bidar, they used to come part-time lecturers. They helped me learn more about Karnataka College, and automatically that, as somebody said, compared to BVB, we chose Karnataka College because of them. So that's how we came. Dr. Siddha Reddy, he is also another great personality in Bidar, our own principal KV Bidar, and my parents and family, and some of the friends, and other most amazing people. Somebody was talking, it's not about teacher. I think Job Shetty sir was, when he was telling that it is not just the people, the faculty and all, but it's also the support staff. Trust me, Bidar mein, when you're studying, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ power ಇರಲ್ಲ, current ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ, right? So I don't know, now things may have changed, but now when we were studying, we used to have 6 hours power in the morning, 6 hours power in the night, right? So 15 days आपके घर में electricity नहीं है, right? Luckily मेरा जो घर था, it was opposite KV Bidar, and I used to go into the school, and these are the people who used to do night watchman jobs. Some of the people, not the lady, but they are the people who used to give me the keys. उनको खाने के लिए जाना है या तो भी मेरे पे trust करके, they used to give me the keys to go and read in the school. But I'm just telling, whether it's somebody big person, a manager, or this person, every person has contributed in my life. So I always say, thank you for, there's no words, and the volunteering or benefiting, coming back to the college is a way to say thank you to the college. I know it's getting emotional, but it is a way to say thank you to the college, So I personally owe a lot to the college, okay? So this is, how can I help the college and the students? So I want to make sure. So one, obviously arranging the seminars. Thank you, Kadri, Shakuntala, and Sophia for arranging. They are just few of the friends. As somebody said, like in another WhatsApp chat, we have friends in other countries, even within India. So even seniors and juniors who have more smarter than me. They are probably working in most cutting edge technologies and others who can come and participate, and I can connect the dots. So that's one way. Second is, I can, with my own experience, I can help the college with some simple prototype projects, whether it's applicable within the college or within the community, Bidar community, that you can apply. So I can certainly help with that. Again, I told Hangargi sir and others that for Karnataka College, we do not have a good LinkedIn or other profile to connect with the alumni. So we'll try to create one. So that's one way. I myself have been a student who was in need of money, and I used to teach tuitions. I am really happy if somebody wants to teach tuition. In fact, I am currently engaging a person from Goa who is teaching my own son guitar class in teaching guitar. So if there is somebody who is interested in teaching maths or something, you can find local in Bidar. But if you find something, even people who are good at Zoom or preparing in SAT, there is plenty of opportunities and both sometimes paid, sometimes unpaid, but it will give you exposure and experience, right? Other thing is setting up the scholarship and funds. I've been thinking, I have my own non-profit called Karmyogi Foundation set up in Bidar. Unfortunately, the money is locked in a bank, in the, not the Canara Bank, but the Corporation Bank of Bidar. But I've been thinking to put a scholarship on my own parents' name. And I mean, for any subject or anything that we can encourage at college. So happy to partner with college in, in contributing that. Again, I owe a lot to the college, and it makes me emotional every time I connect to the college. It makes me humble from where I started. And also, thanks to all the lectures, I mean, either whether you were teaching me at that time or you're teaching now, you make a difference for everybody's life. Trust me. I mean, there is no other job that makes a difference in people's lives. So thank you for doing, the selfless effort you always do. So thank you very much. Okay. With that, just some parting advice. I know some of you have done. My most important thing is dignity of labor. In India, there is a belief that ye kaam nahi karna chahiye, wo kaam nahi karna chahiye. Even for today, I always tell my wife and kids, I want to work in McDonald's for someday. The reason is not about what I did in McDonald's, but it's the process, the teamwork they do, and how they do the cleaning, and how do they manage the whole process and take the orders and manage. So just to learn that, I want to go and do that job. So dignity of labor is every job will teach you something new, or if not, it will improve your life skills. So never neglect any job and never neglect any volunteering work. Take it up, whatever you get, life throws, do that. Second is the time management. Most important part is where will you invest your time will make your choices and opportunities better. Okay. I know Kadri and me, we were talking when we were in college, the only place we either used to play cricket, go at tea shop and talk, or go to movies or something. But nowadays, even at my age, we get distracted a lot with phone and all, right? WhatsApp pe message aaya ya Facebook. I'm luckily not on Facebook, but all these are distractions. And I would encourage, especially young kids, if you can avoid, do not put too many digital footprint, because by the time you go to the college or job, you may do something which may bite you back, right? So think before you do what you want to do. So make sure you're not putting too much digital footprint, right? Second is the last and most important is be true to yourself. Especially this I'm speaking, ನೀವು ಹಳ್ಳಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ಯಾರೋ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ he's from local Bidar city, he knows more and you may not know more, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, but on salvagi don't get hesitated. And it's a very common human philosophy. We tend to make jokes of others, right? We enjoy at the expense of others, right? That's a common human nature. So do not get to that. Do not take that negatively. Take it more in a positive spirit. See, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Work on your strengths. People cannot, there is always going to be some weakness, but most important is work on your strengths so that you can always build a better career with that. Okay, so that's my parting advice. With that, let me take a last poll. I hope that works. Or let's see. This will tell me whether you understood the concept of career networking, and will that influence this seminar influences you to take career networking seriously. Okay. Good. We'll give a few more minutes or seconds. Okay. Okay, we'll end there. I'm glad if I have influenced you a little bit to think about career networking while you're in college or getting out of the college, I think I'm done my part. I hope this was inspiring in some way. But again, this, whether you take this or all the 4 advisors who talked today, whether it's Kadri sir, Sophia madam or Shakuntala madam, I'll tell you, I'm sure if you can apply even one from each of them or something, you will make a hell of a lot of difference for you as well as for your family and for the community. And as Indians, I just want to make sure we are the, it used to call Sone Ki Chidiya. Let's make India proud. Let's make India the Sone Ki Chidiya in the world. And, that's what we can return back to the community as well as to the society. With that, I'm open to question and answers, and I know it took longer for some of you have waited for quite some time, but I hope you enjoyed the benefit of staying late. With that, sir or Hangargi sir or Mr. Pardesi Rajmohan, you can take over.
Thank you so much, sir. Your talk was really motivating and journey also really motivating and inspiring for us. And this is the second time we are meeting.
It was pleasure always, Rajmohan. Thanks for connecting on LinkedIn also. So, yep.
Please, could you have some couple of questions, sir? I request participants to ask the questions if you have regarding career or anything. So we can have a couple of questions. Sir, please, could you see at the screen? So we are having a photograph for the
sorry. Okay. I hope it comes. I can't see my own picture. But...
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Participants, you have the 2 minutes. If you have any questions, please ask so that speaker can go ahead with your questions.
And just so that I know it's, I'm happy to stay as long as you want and the college wants, but I know some of my friends are already late. I hope they're still there or they probably have left for the day, but.
Sir, this is the one question. Pritisha Sanya asking, sir, what is the best networking platform according to you?
There are many platforms. There is not one single platform that helps you build networking. What interesting platform I have enjoyed most is a LinkedIn. And now slowly LinkedIn is also getting to a point where people are making it more commercial or look like more friendship message. But what benefits me on LinkedIn is 2 parts. One, it helps me know who the person is, what their career things and all. Sometimes there are, if you follow some of the people, you get like some of the very interesting article. I like to work on enterprise architect or project management and others. So I follow some people and then they put, some of the classes. More than that, there are other things in non-profit organizations and others. There is a person, I don't know if anybody has heard, there is a guy called Pune Plogger. I don't know if you have heard. This guy started in Pune, basically wearing, every day while walking, he used to go walking. और वो walking करते समय जहाँ पे भी plastic है, कचड़ा है, he used to pick up and bring it home and put that. And slowly he motivated many youngsters to join his group. And recently, he got selected for a university in England. And I know he was doing fundraising through LinkedIn. But at the same time, somebody noticed it and he got scholarship also for that, right? So it is most important for you guys to remember, whatever you do, if something is worth, notice that. And LinkedIn, again, for me, is one of the greatest platform I've seen. But there are many other platforms. So don't limit onto one platform. See what likes you and what helps you in the area which you want to grow. That's the platform I would choose.